Alright, let's take a look at this map. Can you open up the map so we can take a look at it? Okay. So according to this map, we start here, and we have to head to what first? What does that look like?
House.
What kind of house?
Red.
Huh?
Red.
Well, look back there. Do you see any houses that look like that?
Over there.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Nene, close the map.
Okay, close the map? Alright. Hey, relax. Relax. It's okay. Relax. There we go. What's next? What's next? Let's follow the dotted line. Where does it go to next?
That one's stuck.
I know what it looks like. You have to go that way. Okay? Alright, let's go. You are a pirate. You're going to find your treasure. Okay. Here, lay that out and we'll take a look and see where we have to go next. Okay. Now, what looks like two blue circles with little trees on it. Look over that way. See if you see anything. Gio, look that way in the yard. Where are we off to next? That's it? That's right. There it is. Okay. So let's see. Where do we go next? Gio? Where do we go next? This leads to what? What's that? What's that over there? Yeah, what is it? It's not his garden, right?
Spider!
Yeah, you don't want to pick up spiders, Gio. Come with me. Alright, we have to go to the X, right? So it says that the X is over there. So let's head over there and let's see what the pictures say. Okay, we're stopping. Okay, Gio, come here. Now, this looks like it's tall plants. Where over here do you see any tall plants?
That one.
There's a tall plant? Alright, so look on the ground over here. See if there's any place that it looks like there might be something buried.
Buried. Oh.
Okay, dig. Dig, see if you can find the treasure. Are you sure it's over there?
No.
Oh, look, you're getting closer. Come around over this way and dig. This way you're not in between the plants. No. Same spot. You can stick to the same spot. Because, Gio.
Huh?
But that's not where the map says it is it? You're just having fun digging. See, it says it's over by the plants. So go back over by the plants. Take a look over there. There you go. Be careful. You don't want to start flipping treasure over your shoulder. What? What's that? That looks loose. Keep going. Keep going in that spot.
Too hard. Oh, that one.
Let me do it from this side.
Let me
Gio.
try.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, let Grandpa try.
Here, look.
In the map.
Over here.
In the map.
Here.
Get the map.
Here, I'll make it soft for you.
Why
Do you see anything over there? What'd you find?
The ring. The magic ring.
That's your magic ring?
No. What's in there? The dog's eating. Dog's eating it.
So the dog's eating it.
Here.
No, that's your magic ring. You found it.
Here she goes.
It's yours, baby.
That was treasure.
Yeah. The X is where the treasure was, right here.
Put your ring on. Put your ring on.
You can't do it? What do you mean you can't do it? What does it do?
This is catch the dog.
It catches the dog.
Yeah. Catch the dog.
Rex. It worked. Brought the dog right here. There you go.
What is it?
You're having more fun with the map, aren't you?
We need to find out.
You need to find that one. Show Mommy. See if Mommy can help you find
Come
it.
here. Come here, guy, buddy. Come here. Let's find that one. Dinky goes to find the map. And that map is a force.
And then I thought, you know what?